Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to my channel, David Jr. Castañeda. Welcome to my channel. So today, for some weird reason, it's gloomy, windy, and it's sprinkling. It's not raining hardcore, but it's sprinkling. You can hear it's fucking raining. You can hear the rain hitting the fire, the grill. Brain fart. But yeah, feels so fucking nice today. This is the first. No, never mind. I was gonna say the first rain of 2025, but it rained earlier in the year. So this is the first rain, I guess, for starting the next year, because we're already in October, so this year's almost over. So I want to say the first rain of 2026. I don't know. That's nah, forget it. So right now it's windy. It's fucking nice. There's a lot of wind right now. Not a lot like major, but like a little bit, you know. Frankie's out here enjoying the rain with me. He's right there. He fucking loves the rain just like me. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's sprinkling. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. You can see the water coming down. Yeah. Frankie's over there. Frankie! Oh my god, it feels so fucking nice right now. I love the rain. I love winter. I love the cold. Love it. I was born in the winter time. I was built for the winter. Yo, Frankie! Oh my god, I love it. Ooh, reminds me. This reminds me of the conch from SpongeBob. Should I have coffee this morning? Let's ask the magic conch. You blow on it, right? Let's see what it says. No, motherfucker. No coffee for you today. Alright, that settles it. No coffee for me. Just water. Woo! Woo! It's nice and windy out here. Woo! Frankie's. Hijo su puta madre. Pinche Frankie. ¿Dónde vas, güey? Pinche Frankie. He's right there. He's a little mountain climber. Oh my god, this is fucking nice. Here inside the house, we actually have the rain on the TV playing. The rain ambiance. Check this out. My mom decorated, well, me and my mom decorated the chimney. We got the little Halloween lights set up. We got some pumpkins down here, a cat. We got a little Halloween Christmas tree over here. And my mom bought the tree, but I decorated it. I put the little pumpkin decorations on there. We got these Different pumpkins, different colors, sizes. We got a little pumpkin in there. And then my mom bought this at I don't know where she bought this at, but we got another pumpkin right here. Mom, where'd you buy this cat at? Mom? Mumsy, where'd you buy the cat?
It went to Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. This is, oh yeah, we did, that's true. So we went to Dollar Tree the other day and my mom fucking bought this. Check it out. Check it out. Check that shit out, bro. The cat and the pumpkin light up.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Mom, you see that, Mom? Mom? See that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's neat.
Yeah, on the wall. Little silhouette. So, wait, how do you turn this shit off? Look. Oh, got it. Yeah, so this is our little chimney Halloween setup right here. It's almost Halloween time. We got about, how many days, Mom? 14. About what? I don't know. I'm bad with math. How many days till Halloween? It's the 14th right now.
I'm not gonna calculator out.
Fuck, dude. I hate math. So right here, my mom set up her table for Halloween. Got some pumpkins right there. We got some black candles with the black candle holders. And then the black table cover. Got some candy right here. We got some pumpkins. A jack-o'-lantern. Yeah. Got some creepy cups with a skeleton hand. There you go, buddy. So it's pretty sick setup for Halloween right here. So let's go check out the front yard. I want to see if the rain and the wind looks different on the front than in the back. Ooh, check this shit out. Fucking nice. So we got some pumpkins right there. One pumpkin. Got a black cat in the window. We got this trick or treat, motherfuckers. Decoration right there. Got a wreath. Black cat, trick or treat. We got a big ass pumpkin. I'm gonna carve this baby. Can't wait to carve him. And we got some other pumpkins right there. Ooh, check this shit out. So my mom and her friend actually they fixed our tree in the front. And my mom has like a bunch of these plastic Halloween pumpkins. She has like a lot of them in her collection. And she ended up fucking hanging them on the tree branches, so they look pretty fucking sick, right? Get a little farther away so you can see what it looks like. Shit's fucking sick, man. Whoa. The tree's creaking. There's probably a fucking predator watching me right now from the top of the tree.
There's something in those trees.
Oh, fuck. I better get my ass inside before the fucking predator takes me out.
There's something out there waiting for us. And it ain't no man.
Hey, buddy. Flip around. What's up, dudes and dudettes? So it's been a few hours since it started raining, well, sprinkling, and it's still going. It's still pretty much sprinkling right now. It's not raining hard. Fucking feels nice, and the temperature is nice and cool. I'm gonna go to our lemon tree and try find some lemons, because me and my mom just cooked some lentejas, and the lentejas taste bomb when you put lemon in them. So I'm gonna see if there's any these fucking earbuds keep coming out. I like earbuds, but I feel like they keep falling out, and I have to keep pushing them in. So I prefer like the headphones, huh?
You're already there. Just go.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some lemons.
The little ones are the yellow ones are really good too.
Those over there?
Yeah.
All right. So here's our lemon tree. Let me see. Are these lemons or are these guayabas? I think these are guayabas. Guayabas. So, feels nice out here. So I'm gonna get some fucking lemon. Let me see what's out here. Shit ready. Ooh. Fucking the freaking leaves are dropping rain on me. Ooh, kind of cold. Let me see. Okay, I don't know if this shit's ready. It's hard. Ooh, what the fuck? My earbud just fucking came out. I caught it before it hit the grass. Oh my god, the other one's coming out too. Fuck. Fucking shit, bro. Okay. So I might get some of these. They're fucking hard though. They're fucking really hard. Ooh. The water's cold. Take some of these. Sorry, buddy. They got Frankie over there, man, walking. Hey, Frank. Hey. Yeah, fuck you too. Let me see. Oh, there's a fat one right there. Let me see if I can grab it. Oh shit. Come on, bitch. Come on. Wow, I just dropped it. Alright, I managed to get some lemons, but these fucking earbuds, both of them fucking fell out of my ears, and they fucking fell on the grass, on the wet grass. Pissing me off, bro. Oh my god. It came out again. Motherfucker. What's up, dudes and dudettes? So, it is officially the next day. And I am addressing you guys from my restroom. Currently in the restroom. Whew, taking a rest. Yeah, baby. Anyways, so yesterday it rained. It rained for a few hours, but nothing crazy, nothing major. Fucking sucks. But I was gonna try and vlog, just a little rainy day, but yeah, it did not fucking rain enough. It just rained a little bit, sprinkling, really, no fucking, not actual rain, just like a sprinkling. Fuck, man, tongue-tied. So it was sprinkling yesterday, and it was gloomy. So when it stopped raining, it was just gloomy. But yeah, so I wasn't able to vlog what I wanted. Fucking sucks. But I heard that there was like a tornado warning or something in California or something, and I saw like a TikTok video or two where some people recorded they recorded the funnel of the tornado, like a funnel was spinning in the air or something. So I'm not sure if it actually, you know, touched down or it was just forming. But yeah, I saw a video and then I heard something about like a tornado warning in LA or something. Fuck, that's crazy, bro.
Oh my God, Lisa, are you getting this on camera? That this tornado just came and erased the Hollywood sign. The Hollywood sign is gone.
Yeah, but other than that, the weather has been nice and cool lately. I'm fucking glad, because I fucking hate summer. I hate summer, and I hate the fucking heat. Absolutely. But yeah, thank you, baby Jesus, that the weather's been a little cooler, and I am finally able to sleep with my warm, really warm Kirkland, Costco, whatever blanket. Oh my God, it feels so fucking good to be able to. It feels so good and so comfortable to be able to like wrap myself in my blanket, and it's fucking nice. Because before, man, it was fucking hot. When the weather's hot, I fucking cannot use my blankets. I cannot. I sleep with like just fucking boxers. That's it. Just to keep cool, because when it's fucking hot, dude, I'm sleeping. I fucking sweat, bro. I sweat. But yeah, dude. Finally, I'm using my fucking Kirkland warm blanket again. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, pretty much, man. So it stopped raining yesterday, but it stayed gloomy and cool. But right now, there's like no fucking, like, no rain at all. There's clouds scattered. But yeah, when I get up off the toilet, I'll go outside and walk around, and I'll show you guys the sky a little bit. I'll show you guys the aftermath of yesterday's little weak ass rain. All right, I want you guys to check out this this little kitty air freshener thing. How cool is that, bro? It's fucking sick. That's so fucking rad. My mom bought it at Bed Bath & Beyond. I fucking love that store, man. They have so much good shit there. Like for your house, for your restroom, and for fucking, they have a lot of good shit for men, like colognes, deodorants, like a lot of good shit, bro. Bars of soap. I fucking love that store, bro. I love shopping for my body sprays from there and my colognes. There's Frankie boy. What's up, Frankie? I'm gonna step out here for a little bit and show you guys the aftermath. So it's still a wee bit gloomy, but not like yesterday, and there's no rain today. So check out the sky. Yesterday it was a little more gloomy than today. There's the airplane. Where the fuck is that plane? Oh, it's coming this way. Oh shit, there it is. Sick. It's Frankie over there. Frankie's right there exploring. Right there somewhere. Fuck, it's nice today. Ooh, check out those clouds. I love fucking clouds. I love taking photos and vlogging clouds. Fucking love them. Check out the formation of this cloud right here. What the fuck? That's cool. Damn, that's pretty rad. I I love the formation. Looks like a country. I don't know what country, but it looks like what a country would be, what it would look like on a map, sort of. Damn. Where's Frankie? Let me see if I can spot him. Where the fuck is he? I don't know. Where the fuck is he, bro? Oh, I see him. He's over there. He's like right here somewhere in this corner. Yeah, he's going up. Whoa, there's an airplane right there. See if I can spot it from here. All right, he's going this way. He's right there somewhere. Right there, the fucking airplane. Damn. He's not gonna come out right now. Let's see if I can spot him coming out. What the fuck? Where'd he go? The airplane? Oh, I see him. He's way over there. Right there. Hey! Hey! Oi! Oi, mate! Arr, matey! Matey, get over here! Yar, matey. You be a bad boy. You scallywag, get over here. There's another plane flying on top of me right now. Oh, fuck, the sun's coming out now. Fuck. Damn. The sun's in my eyes. Oh, shit. Damn you. Stay hidden. Please don't come out right now. Please. Stay away. Yar, matey. Yar, matey. Come aboard. Okay. See you later, matey. Sucker. I ain't got time for your games. Yar, come aboard! Come aboard, matey! Alright, see you later. I ain't got time for your fucking games. Are you coming in or you're not? No? Okay. Hijo de tu chingada madre, pues. Métate, mijo. Métate. Che, batito. Vete para allá. Che, compadre. Yesterday, me and my mom made some lentejas. We made a lot, so today we got leftovers. So this is what's gonna be for dinner later. Check that shit out. Oh yeah, fucking lentejas are bomb as fuck. With some, you put some fucking some limon on the lentejas. Ay papa, and they're good, man. They're good for you. They're healthy, and they make you shit a lot. I kid you not. I'm gonna check out the scene in the front of the house and see what the clouds look like over here, because the clouds look different. Way back. The clouds look different in the front of the house and in the back. Damn, let's see. Damn. I wish there was rain. My neighbor has a giant skeleton over there. Fucking dope. Let me check if these pumpkins have some water from yesterday. A little bit water. Let me see. What the fuck is that? Let me see. There's trash in there. What the fuck? Who the fuck put trash in the pumpkins? Yeah, there's no water in there. They're good. Dude, I just saw a bird run by. I saw something run right now. This way. What the fuck? What was it? I saw something running. What the fuck? Let me see if I can catch it. Whoa. Oh shit, look at the moss. Something over here, man. It was like right here. I went that way. Where the fuck did it go? Huh. What's weird? Something ran that way. I don't know. All right, dudes and dudettes, I'm probably gonna hit. Excuse me. I'm probably gonna end this vlog because it's probably already too long, and there's not really much for me to show you more. I try to make it entertaining, but there's no rain or anything going on right now, so I'm just gonna end it because I don't want you guys to get bored watching nothing. there's literally like nothing major, but I tried, but yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog, and if anything interesting happens, I will vlog it and I will show you guys. But thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you watched the vlog all the way through, I appreciate it. Thank you. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please give me I would really appreciate it. Thank you. If you guys are not subscribed yet to this channel, please take a few seconds and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the so you know when I upload new vlogs to this channel. And if you guys have time, please check out my second YouTube channel, Random Adventures with David Jr. There's some pretty rad vlogs on there as well, and I'm always trying to upload vlogs to that channel, to keep it going strong. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. May the force be with you always. Take care and be safe, and don't forget, Mr. Bear loves you guys.